So now for some more definitions. A function is a relation in which each element in the domain is paired with exactly one element in the range. Each element in the domain is paired with exactly one element in the range. So you can't have one element in the domain being paired with 2, 3, or 4 different elements in the range. Okay, so in other words, no value for the first coordinate is paired with 2 or more values for the second coordinate. It means the same thing, right? So I have some examples. This is an example of something that's not a function. So the elements of the domain, I'm showing them, instead of writing the pairs as the regular ordered pairs of numbers, I'm just drawing a line between the ones that are paired. So this one has the point 1, comma, minus 1, 1, comma, 2, 3, comma, 5, 4, comma, negative 3, 6, comma, negative 3. It's not a function. And it's not a function because the 1 in the domain is not paired with exactly one element in the range. It's paired with minus 1, or negative 1, and it's paired with 2. So it's not a function because of this, not because of anything else there. So this is an example of something that is a function. I just took the previous one and altered it slightly. I took out the 2 in the range. So I no longer have 1 going to 2, like I did here, right? Here I have 1 going to 2, and here 1 doesn't go to 2. 1 just goes to minus 1. So 1 is paired with exactly one number in the range, minus 1. 3 is paired with exactly one number in the range, 5. 4 is paired with exactly one element in the range, negative 3. 6 is paired with exactly one number in the range, negative 3. It doesn't matter that 4 and 6 are both paired with the same one. If you start at 4, if you think of going left to right, if you start at 4, you know exactly where you're going. You're going to negative 3. See here, if I start at 1, I have a choice of which way to go if I'm going to go over here. And that's not a function. A function is kind of, things are predetermined where you're going to go. Okay? So I just wrote out what these sets are as a set of ordered pairs. So this is the thing that's not a function. This is what it looks like if I just write it as a set. There's the 1, minus 1, the 1, 2, the 3, 5, the 4, minus 3, or negative 3, the 6, negative 3, right? And the thing that makes it not a function is the 1, minus 1, or 1, negative 1, and the 1, 2. So notice, if this is not going to be a function if this first coordinate is repeated. That's another way to think of it. The first coordinate is repeated, because that means it's going to 2 different numbers. It's paired with 2 different numbers. Then I just wrote out the set for the one that is a function, and you'll notice that the first coordinates never repeat, right? You have 1, 3, 4, and 6. Those are 4 different distinct numbers. So you don't have a first coordinate occurring twice.